If you'd like to know the percentage of your subscribers that have enabled notifications and have enabled YouTube notifications on top of that, you can now see that in YouTube Creator Studio by going right over here to the Analytics tab. And you can dive deep into these numbers. It'll actually show you the percentage as well as how many total there are. Click the Audience tab once you've done this. And once you click that Audience tab, it'll bring up this menu. Scroll down a bit and you will see subscriber bell notifications. Let me get out of the way so you can check it out right over here. So there's two different sets of data with two different metrics. So the first part right here with the bell is subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel. And typically on YouTube, that's going to be between 10 to 30%. As you can see, I'm at 14%. And it'll also show you the raw number of people that have done it. In my case, it's 5,900. And what's really interesting is it shows you the subset of those people that have not only turned on all notifications for your channel, but they've also enabled all YouTube notifications on top of that. Typically 5% to 20% of subscribers do this. For me, it's 7%, which is 3,000. This can help you understand whether your audience likes what you're serving them in terms of the clickability of your content. The clickability of your content. This can give you a good gauge of the health of your audience and your subscribers and your relationship to them. Reading YouTube comments can provide you some insights, but literally looking at these numbers can give you the ice cold facts. And if you want to increase the amount of clicks or the clickability of your content, there's a tool that goes by the numbers to actually show you how to do this. It's a free tool for you guys to download. Link in the description below. It's called TubeBuddy. My affiliate link is down there. And it's got a tool called the Click Magnet. I've got to show you this tool. It's freaking great. So you can do this for your channel, by the way. You click Get Started. It analyzes your whole channel and all of the numbers on your channel. And it'll show you actionable insights you can take to make your thumbnails and your titles more clickable. So let me just do the element inspector. It's one of the tools here. Check it out. It literally shows you the numbers. It's so freaking great of thumbnails, for example, that have faces in them or no faces in them, and shows you what the click-through rate of those are. So obviously in this case, the ones that I have that with no faces actually do a little bit better. So if I wanted people that were enabling notifications on my channel to actually click when that notification comes through, I may want to consider, just for example, doing no faces. It analyzes everything from text and no text, the words that are in your title, etc. It's freaking great. Link in the description below. It's called TubeBuddy. My affiliate link is down there. It's just a great companion tool to help you engage those people that have enabled notifications on the channel to get them to actually click the titles and the thumbnails that you're serving them. Best of luck to you creators, and I hope you guys enjoy TubeBuddy as well as the insights in YouTube Creator Studio I shared today.